What green one?
Up. I just saw it.
Uh-huh.
And what is that for boxing up?
That's for next. But that's not. Forget about that for now. We are building this one, right?
Yeah.
Why are you thinking about those?
Because I like those. Bubble Fett,
Let's finish this one first.
Bubble Fett, he's not a
So I got this piece and this piece. I don't know how it will connect together. Right, so it says turn it around and put this thing right here. There's something wrong with the way I put this one. It's supposed to go in a little bit more. And this one goes here. Next, I need this one, the gray one, and one of this, and it says to put here, and this one here. Okay, next, and turn it upside down again, or the right way around. And then this goes here.
Shall I close it up to you or to the Lego itself?
Here I guess what I'm doing. They don't need to see my face.
What?
Nobody is interested. So next is the piece. I think this is the gun piece.
Yeah.
Piece of the gun.
We have this.
Wait a minute.
It goes right in.
This I don't put it.
You're blocking the view, please. Can you just move around?
You see, you're not supposed to put it in because we haven't put the trigger yet. Right? You're supposed to put the trigger first.
Okay, that was weird.
And the way to put it is there.
Okay.
Alright, so I put the trigger. Wait. So I'm going to put it. Go.
Shoot.
Boop! Oh no.
Oh.
It should quite.
I got it. Help
You
me.
get it? You get it?
Yeah, I saw the one. I just saw it here. And it
So
didn't go far.
it can go far, huh? The gun, huh?
Yeah. I got put it in.
Alright, so what's next? Okay. Let's finish the ship first.
Daddy, there's no entrance.
What entrance?
This one down. There's no entrance.
So,
Down. There's no entrance. There's no entrance.
what entrance are you talking about?
Don't put the entrance. Otherwise, you should have put the huge space so that the Mandalorian guy.
Mandalorian.
Ta-da!
Right? I was asking you for many times about it. So it's Mandalorian, huh?
Mandalorian.
There. Let's put this on.
Good thing.
Excuse me.
Look at Aiden. Aiden! Get up, Yana. Get up.
What's the other one for? Later. But. We found his helmet. We found his helmet. We found his helmet. We found his helmet.
Alright. I think we're done. What are those things? Are those
Let's put milk.
Wait. So there's I know this one we can use as bullets, maybe this one too. But these are like spare ones. So sorry. So the spaceship is done. Mandalorian's spaceship. is done.
Mandalorian, isn't just one Mandalorian. Oh my God.
Where's the gun?
So, Mama is calling it the Mandalorian, but it's Mandalorian. So guys, here are our finished building blocks of the Mandalorians.
Guns. Dog.
Look, it's the cool thing is that there is a how do you call that? That's a
Entrance.
entrance.
There's
It's a
no.
platform.
There's no
Platform.
entrance. Daddy, there's no
I
entrance.
think these are just
Daddy,
leftover
there-
pieces
Daddy,
or some
there's
spare
no,
ones.
There's no entrance.
Huh?
There's no entrance.
There is. You see? What? It's like
What?
it looks like an entrance, but it's not. Okay.
It's not.
It's supposed to be an entrance, but it's not actually an entrance. So you're like partly correct. Anyway, so we're just gonna put the Mandalorians inside. Here we go.
We got
Can we have the music background there? Oh, Star Wars.
Nope.
I
Ta-da-da.
think I want to put the gold.
Oh no, this is TIE Fighter coming for you. Oh,
What is that exactly?
it actually shoots. Don't target somebody,
Oh, it can shoot?
Don't target people with this.
This is why this.
It's cool.
So it's Lego Star Wars part number 75321. If you want to be exact.
I want to
Okay. So every box, every item has its own
Order number.
serial number. Yes. So I guess if you go to the store and if you enter that
I found
75321, you will find it. You will find exactly the same product.
Show mama close. The Mandalorian.
All right, guys. So the big question: do you buy this stuff or this? The original. Okay, let me play. So the big question is: is it really worth it to buy the original one instead of the the copy ones? Well, there's two sides of the story here. If if you don't care of the pieces missing, and you just want to have fun building it, you can just buy the copy ones. I'm sure it's good enough, But on my experience right now on the original one, it's more fun building it because the parts, they interlock more securely and much better than the copy ones, because it's gonna be like that because they actually use
You can put bullets in
the original molds of the Lego to build the copies.
You can put bullets in here.
Yes. So what I'm saying is there will be a difference. There's a variation, even though we're talking about micrometer, or I don't know how you call it, but it's smaller than millimeter. It's micro. I think it's micrometer. How you call it? Yeah, that kind of small difference, because they actually took I believe they took the actual pieces of the Lego and built a mold out of it. Then they made the copies. So there will be a variation. And Lego, they have a very secure. Their molds are like
Bullets inside.
yeah, they hit it very well that nobody else can really steal it and cut the original molds.
Get me.
It's like it's hidden. All right. So anyway, I'm telling you stories, so don't believe me. Anyway, so yeah, if you have money, if you have the resources to buy the original, buy it. I mean, it's more fun to use. If I start collecting, yeah, I will buy the original ones, but I don't collect Legos so far. So I will only buy it for him to play with it. So the copy ones are okay, I guess. But you see, whenever I build a toy, whenever I build him a Lego, he will try to keep it intact as much as he could. He will play with it, for days, without, taking off any piece of. And if there's a piece that is gonna be removed or fell off, he will come to me and he will tell me to fix it for him, to fix it back.
Oh no, fix it.
But time will come that he will miss the piece. I wasn't there to fix it up for him. I wasn't there at the moment, so the piece will be missing, and he ends up, just. I have two pieces, I think, of a recent Lego that I built for him, and it's just lying around because the pieces are missing, and it like missing a wheel, missing a part. It doesn't work anymore. But the good part is that you can tear it apart, and then he can oops. So he can tear it apart.
Fix it.
You see, he wants me to fix it. I broke it accidentally.
So, you're saying this but it was him who made it.
It was him. So he doesn't want me to break his stuff. Whenever he build it, he's gonna get mad whenever I touch it. I broke it. Okay, so fix it up. All right, guys. So all right, guys. So see you again. Say bye bye.
Bye.
To them.
Bye.
Okay, and hopefully see you in the next video. All right. I think I have another box. I think that's another Lego. So the next episode will still be a Lego thing. So yeah. So see you. Stay tuned and watch our future videos. And we hope that you have enjoyed our episode for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like our and yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Bye bye. Now come here.